If you are facing cancer, you know this journey goes far beyond medicine. It's not only physical, it's energetic. Because true healing begins when your body's own life force is awakened and supported. Medical treatment is essential, but sometimes the body needs more than medicine. It needs help restoring the inner balance that allows healing to unfold. My name is Emily Liu. I am an energy healing practitioner, and I help people activate their body's natural healing intelligence, the part of you that modern medicine can't always reach. For decades, science has recognized that every human body is surrounded by a field of energy, often called the biofield. This energy field serves as the blueprint for your physical, emotional, and spiritual health. When it becomes blocked or weakened from stress, trauma, or illness, the body's natural repair process can slow down. My healing work focuses on balancing and strengthening this energy field, clearing energetic blockages and helping your system reconnect to its original harmony. As your energy flow becomes stronger and more coherent, your body often begins to respond, showing greater vitality, improved resilience, and enhanced ability to support recovery. This work does not replace medical treatment. It's a complementary approach that supports your body and mind as you move through your healing journey, helping you feel not only calmer and more peaceful, but also physically supported as your body works towards balance and restoration. I offer remote healing, so no matter where you are in the world, you can receive this energy working from the comfort of your home. Energy is not limited by distance, just like a Wi-Fi signal. It connects beyond physical space, allowing healing energy to reach you wherever you are. Over the years, I've witnessed many touching stories. One client shared, after just a few sessions, the constant pain eased, and I finally slept peacefully again. Another said, I could feel my strength returning, like a light inside me turned back on. And another told me, knowing Emily was supporting me, even from afar, gave me hope and calm through the hardest days. Every story reminds me that healing isn't only about the body. It's about helping the body and spirit work together again. If you feel called to experience this work, I invite you to begin with my 2-session discovery package, only $79. This offer, valued at over $600, is designed to let you personally experience how your energy responds to the healing and discover whether this approach truly supports your recovery and inner strength. These 2 sessions are your starting point, a way to see what's possible before choosing to continue deeper, ongoing healing support as your body works towards greater balance and wellness. Scan the QR code to learn more or apply to begin your healing journey today.